So this video is about a basic authentication system, how to set up authentication system in your Laravel application. First of all, go to your Laravel. Installation, and then install Laravel application by using this and this command. I'll be putting this code instruction in description below the video. Then after installation, go to your Laravel application. If you have used a previous Laravel application, then to generate authentication auth system, all you have to do is PHP artisan make auth. But from Laravel 6, there is a bit of changes in this command. Now from Laravel 6, authentication system is taken as a different package. First of all, it was coming as within a Laravel, but from Laravel 6, it is considered as a different package. So you have to install it. So to install this, first of all, it is placed on Laravel /UI. So first of all, run this code on a terminal. Then after that, use this what you want to install. I want to install Bootstrap and authentication system, so you copy this and run in your terminal. So after that, what you need is you need npm. Let me show that how. Forward PHP artisan to run a command application on your Laravel application. You have to do is PHP artisan serve PHP artisan serve. But when you run this on your, it's working fine, right? But whenever you go to the login, the issue will be that sticking cats. So after installation, you need to, after solving, you need to install npm install. It will install the node modules for your Laravel application. Then to run your application, in first terminal, you run PHP artisan serve. Then you need to run your application port 8000. Then go to your login. There will be an issue initiation star in here. To solve that, you have to do is npm run dev, npm run and watch. What it does is it will watch for compile your CSS and JS file. So this will be done. My cache is loading, so it is loading. It's not showing an error. So this is how you set up the basic authentication system in Laravel. The link and this code is pushed in GitHub. You can follow description below the video.